Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Today we're making these two little mini cards, as you can see. Now, this is a Focus Friday video, and through the month of November we're focusing on masking and how we can use that in our card making. And today I'm going to show you how I masked the sentiment. So I got it just saying Merry Christmas. I'll show you the full sentiment here. It's from Kindest Gnomes, and as you can see, it says, whoops, that's the wrong one. Be useful if I got the right one out, wouldn't it? It's this one here. As you can see, you say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Well, I just want Merry and Christmas, and I want them underneath each other. So I'm going to mask off the rest so that I can stamp it that way, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's start off with making our cards and get this focal image in so that we can then do the rest. Okay, and this little tree comes from this set called Spruced Up, and we're going to use the tree and the little star here and the present as well. Sorry about the glare. Okay, so I'm going to stamp a little tree in shaded garden green, I should rather say, which is the thing here. So I'll get it nicely inked up, and then down, and one more time for luck. I'm just going to give it a clean, because I think I've got a speck of something on the stamp. So give it a clean, and then we can give it a nice stamp again. Of course, I've got to stick my finger in the ink pad as well. That's better. Down and up. Okay, and I'm going to make two cards while I'm at it, so that's one, and this will be number 2. There we go. So that's our trees stamped. And I'm going to just take this and clean it because we finished with the Stamparatus. So I'm going to switch over to my blocks. They both have their place, blocks and the Stamparatus. So, whoops, sorry about the noise. Put our magnet back in its little home. Sorry for the squeak as well. And bring this in, and we're going to start to do some stamping. And let's stamp our sentiment and get this out the way. So it's fine to put it on our block. Try and get it straight. Now to mask, you can use masking tape, masking paper. I'm going to use just a little bit of post-it note tape. And you can see, I wanted first to say just Merry, not Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I'm just going to mask off the area. That says Merry Christmas. It says Christmas, and just leave the Merry. Just like that, as you can see. Just always check that everything looks okay. Looks fine. And then I'm just going to ink up my Merry. Remove my mask. And then just check that I've got just the Merry inked up, which I do. And then down. There we go. See, I've only got the Mary there, not the rest of it. So now I'm going to put my mask back because I want to do it for both cards. There we go. I think I've over inked that a bit. So, yeah. Just clean my stamp off of my grid paper. I over inked it a bit. Just a light tap, bring it out of the card. And there we've got Mary again. Now, just going to give that a clean. And now we want to mask everything except the Christmas, which is what I'm going to do here. So now I've got everything masked except Christmas. Give that have a look. Yeah, I've only got stamp ink on the Christmas and down. There you see. So now I've changed that sentiment totally through masking. Isn't that clever? Okay, the camera went a bit funny. I think the memory card was full, so it did show you the Merry Christmas on the one, and I just finished stamping the Christmas on the other one. So now we have that. So now we're just going to finish off our little cards. And I'm going to stamp the Prezi. So let's get that out here from Spruced Up. Our little Prezi. And on a little block. So yeah, masking is a really great technique. Last week we looked at masking an image so we could change perspective on something. And this time we've looked at masking a sentiment. And this really allows you to change how you use your sentiments. Okay, so there's our little Prezi. And there's another one. So clean that up so we can use the block again. And now I'm just going to stamp on little stars. And these cards actually go in the little box we made yesterday. So do check out that video from yesterday. And I'll show you that the stamps go, these cards rather, go really nicely in that box that we made. So here we've got Daffodil Delight. I'm just going to stamp some stars. And it just lifts the card, I think, having these stars here. And I'll try and keep things sort of in uneven numbers. So there we have our little stars. Let's give that a clean there. Close the ink pad up, and our cards are actually done. So let's clear the decks. I can show you our cards here. There are two cards. Very simple little cards, and then here's our little set of 4 cards, and we have the little envelopes, and these are just 3x3 cards, I should have said. So my card base that I cut is 6 inches by 3 inches, scored at 3 inches. Okay, and then this is the box we made yesterday, and as you can see here, you can fit a lot of little cards in here. The little cards fit nicely in your box. And then it's a lovely little Christmas gift. So that's what we have here. Got a box in your card. So I hope you enjoyed that project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.